So today we're going to make a quick home remedy for acne. It's a remedy, a formula that worked really well for me, and I think some of you might benefit from it. Keep watching. So the reason this simple, organic, natural formula works is because it gets rid of the #1 cause for acne breakouts, which is the excess oil on your skin. So if you use this consistently, if you have history of very oily skin, if you have history of acne, then most likely this will work really well for you. So in the first part of the video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make it, and then stay all the way to the end of the video because I'm actually going to try it and give you some feedback on what it's like to use on a daily basis. I'm going to leave the quantities and the formula itself in the description below. It's really crucial you follow this formula and quantities precisely to get the right product in the end. Let's go. So we are going to make this lovely natural homemade acne cleanser remedy for your face and for your body in less than 30 minutes using ingredients that are cheap, that are available, that are simple to use. Let's go ahead and make this. So let's quickly go through what you need. You're going to need Castille soap, which you can get cheaply from Amazon. You're going to need vegetable glycerine, again another cheap ingredient you can get from Amazon. Normal honey, just everyday honey. A cylinder, something to measure your quantities with. And you're going to need a tin, a deep tin with a big mouth, just like this one. So put some hot water, about 2 inches, in the tin, and place a beaker or a measuring jug in the hot water. Make sure it's stable and not wobbling. And then you're going to start by adding the honey. So add about 10 mils of the honey. Obviously I'm having some difficulties here, so there you go, there goes the honey. And now you're going to add the vegetable glycerine using your measuring cylinder. So all the quantities I'm going to leave in the description below. Mix the honey and the glycerine until you get kind of an egg yolky consistence that is mixed well, and then take that out, put a fresh beaker or bowl, and here you're going to put your Castille soap, warm it through, bring back the honey and the glycerine mixture from the beginning, add it to the Castille soap and mix it till you have a nice frothy finish. That's a sign that all your ingredients have mixed well. And basically that's that. Then you're going to pour it into a container of your choice. And the final step is, which is completely optional, you can add some fragrance. So in this case I'm using some citrus fragrance that I have. I will leave a link below where you can get some of these fragrances in the UK. They're very cheap. I add about 10 drops, and that's it. You are done. Enjoy. So there you have it. I'm really pleased how the final product turned out for me. It seems the quantities and the proportions are spot on. It wasn't too greasy, it wasn't too drying, it was just perfect. But as I said before, this product is not for dry skin. So if you have dry skin and use this product, your skin will become bone dry, so you should not be using it. It's for people who have a history of spots or acne and really oily skin like myself. So the problem for me is I have to really keep on top of my acne. If I don't kind of wash my face at least twice a day, the oil builds up, and then the next day or the next, in a couple of days time, I get breakouts. So the good thing about this is I applied it this morning really thoroughly all over my face. I kind of exfoliated it in a little bit, and now it's about 3 o'clock and my face is as fresh and dry as it was first thing this morning. So I'm not getting that build up of oil through the day, so that by the time you get to kind of mid-afternoon, your face is like really greasy. I'm probably going to apply it again before bedtime tonight, and I'm going to see over the next few weeks how my spots, my breakouts work with this. But I'm really hopeful. So let me know in the comments below, have you tried this formula? Do you want to try it? Do you have any questions about how to make it and the ingredients? Let me know and I'll help. Take care. See you soon.